students, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome back to the English video lessons for 10th class. So in the previous video of 10th class, we have seen about the C reading I Will Do It and the author Sudhamurthy. We came to know some of the details about Sudhamurthy and her books. So now at present in this video you are going to see the lesson, the C reading, and it was an extract from her successful stories, how I taught my grandmother to read and other stories. So in this lesson, Sudhamurthy wants to tell about an intelligent boy. So let us see, this Sudhamurthy want to say about an intelligent boy who achieved a success of having a positive attitude. So let us know the story of that boy. That boy is short. He was short, though he was short. He was the brightest boy in the class. His seniors used to ask him to solve the difficulties in maths and science. Generally, if we are reading in one class, we used to solve the difficulties to our juniors. But this boy used to solve the difficulties of his seniors. So you can understand the brightness of the boy, how the boy is sharp. He is not so handsome. He goes unnoticeable in crowds. But whenever anybody asks doubts in maths and science, there is a spark. You can see the spark in his eyes. He grasps the science theories faster than the speed of light. Speed of light. What is the speed of light? It related to physics, I think so. What is the speed of light? Let us see. Speed of light. We can say the speed of light as 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. In numbers, it is 299,792,458 meters per second. According to my search, I came to know that nothing is faster than the speed of light. No object can move as faster as the speed of light. But here, that boy's brightness is compared with the speed of light. Means you can imagine how fast he solved the problems of maths and science. So, he came from a poor family but educated family. His father is a high school teacher and avid reader of English literature. What is avid? Avid means having an eager desire to learn. Means he shows so much of interest to read English literature particularly. The boy, like other students, he want to get admission in some engineering colleges. As we saw that he was the brightest boy who used to solve the difficulties to his seniors. So, usually the brighter ones want to join at IITs. What IIT means? IIT means here Indian Institute of Technology. So it's not that much easy to join in IIT. A lot of hard works only reaches us to join in IIT. There was an entrance test to join in IIT. So this boy, along with his friends, he appeared to the test. He want to write the test, and he applied for the entrance test. He has no special books or coaching. All these IIT aspirants used to sit at the shade of a stone mandap close to Chamundi Hills at the sleepy town of Mysore. Mandap means a raised platform. They used to discuss the theories of maths and science. While everyone feels difficulties in solving problems, this boy smiles shyly and solves the problems within no time. So the ultimate dream of this boy is to join in IIT. He used to sit alone under the under a tree and imagines to join at IIT. He used to dream big to join in IIT. So the D-Day came. What is the D-Day? D-Day means a date on which something important is to happen. D means here day. So usually the word D-Day comes from June 6th, 1944 onwards during Second World War II. Okay, something changes your life. The day which changes your life totally is called D-Day. So what is the D-Day of this boy? To write the entrance test. So for this test, he went to Bangalore at some relative's house. He stayed in the relative's house and he appeared the exam. And everyone will ask how you wrote the exam. And he just simply told her, it's okay. According to him, according to the mindset of this boy, okay means somewhat bad or okay, like that. Next, good means okay. Excellent means good. So he is waiting for the results. He wrote the exam and he is waiting for the results, and the results came. So what do you think, whether he will get rank or not? Only the students who gets good rank only will be able to join in IIT. So immediately he went to check out his rank and he got good rank. So imagine that boy, how happy he was. He was so delightful. He flies in the air. He was thrilled. Immediately he wanted to share the happiness and joy with his parents. He ran towards his father. At that time his father was reading a newspaper. So this boy tells about the rank he got in IIT. And what was the reaction of his father? You imagine that one, and tomorrow you are going to see what happens next. Thank you.